Hello? Hello? Barbara? Barbara? Oh, I down a town me I run go do little liquor shopping. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. But just a run go down there. Me not going to stay long. Yes. It, really? No, 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 no. Ah, hold on there, hold on there, hold on there. Somebody on the line, somebody on the line. Hold on. Oh, yes, yes, Abigail, Abigail. Your mother was just on the other line. You on your way up here? All right, when you come, I will talk to you because I run go down to town. All right, all right. She says she on her way up here. Yes. Well, hold on, my daughter. Hold on, my daughter, hold on. I can't do things like that on the phone. When she come, I will talk to her and see what the position is. I don't do things like you, my daughter. I don't do things like you. All right? All right then. Because I don't like when I go into town, I have my phone in my hand. I need to put back my phone into my bag. Okay? All right, my daughter. Bye, bye. Abigail, Abigail, Abigail. How many times did I said Abigail?
Yes,
Your mother
Grandma.
called while I was on the phone with you. Abigail, what kind of thing that your mother been saying to me, Abigail? Your mother said that you met boy online talking to Abigail. Abigail, listen to me, Abby. Abigail, listen to me. Is that your mother sending you to school for Abigail? Listen to me carefully. This time that we are living in is very serious time, Abigail. Very serious. You don't know about this time, because you just born the other day. You don't know about this time that we are living in. You can't meet people online and expect to go and meet them at certain places. It is not safe, Abigail. Listen to what your mother is saying. Yeah, Abigail, it is not safe. Meeting a boy at school is different from meeting people online and telling you to meet them in town or in halfway tree or somewhere around the place. It is not safe. You're not listening to the news. You're not listening of what is going on around us, Abigail. You need to listen what is going on. Let I tell you something here, my granddaughter. Let I tell you something. It's best if you just go to school and do your work and come back home. Yes, you can. Yes, you can have friends. Nobody say you cannot have friends, Abigail. Nobody didn't say you cannot have friends. But meeting up people, Nowadays, it is not safe, Abby. Abby, it is not safe. It is not safe at all, at all, at all, Abigail. It is not safe. These times that we are living is very dreadful times. Very serious times, Abby. If you have a little friend and you want the little friend to come to your house while your mother is there, or even up at my house here, Abigail, nothing is wrong with that. Nothing, because everybody need a little friend. But when you are going to meet up at places with people that you don't know, it is very serious. Even if you are going to meet them in the square, in the park, it is still not safe. Oh, so tell me now, how long you know that person for?
2 weeks, Grandma.
Well, all I can say, Abby, be careful. Just be careful. Be careful. And careful for nothing. Be careful for nothing. Abigail, your mother is saying that the few days that you're on school break and up here, I must not allow you to go anywhere. And the phone that she took from you, it is so where you get phone call me while you was on the journey here.
I borrow my friend's phone,
You borrow your
Grandma.
friend phone? Well, well, she said that you are on 2 weeks timeout. No phone for 2 weeks. No internet. You can only allow to watch the television. And I am going to follow strict instruction what your mother said. So don't believe you come up here for the 2 weeks holiday break and believe to say you can do as you like at my house. Not at all, Abigail. Not at all. Not at all. You believe you can run away from your mother and come to grandparents' house and do as you like? Well, I am not a grandmother like that at all, Abigail. I am not those type of grandmother. I am a very serious grandmother. So if you cannot abide by my rules, then you can go back down to your house. I am not into it, Abigail. Please to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.